Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sharon Black Kenya. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking to this amazing YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome and consider subscribing to join our family. And to our returning subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few things that I have gotten from the market, and of course with their prices, and I'll be taking you guys along this video. So stay tuned if this is the kind of content you love, and kindly consider subscribing. From Nairobi, Dandora. For those who know Dandora, hi guys, comment down below what you have heard about Dandora. So I was coming by, I stopped at the market and got some things for my family. And so guys, these are the things that I got. The things that I got this managu and tereres. These are managu mixed with terere, and we will be having this one for supper, this managu and terere. So I got this is spinach and managu, and there is this cabbage, and there is this cabbage was going for 30 bob. These ones are for 30 bob. These squashes are for 50 Kenya shillings, and these bananas for 3 for 10. So they are 3 for 20 tatumbao. These ones are for 60 bob. And guess what guys, we are coming to this season of, these are mangoes, and three mangoes are going for 3 for 10 bob. So I took for 50 bob. And these machungwas, I got one for 10, and these are for 100 bob Kenya shillings. And these are dengu inaitwaje na English watu wangu? Comment hapo kwa comment section. And these are dengu for 80 bob, dengu nusu, half kgs. So guys, that is all I got, and so I'm going to clean them and store them. Let's clean them and arrange them where they should be. Napigia nani? Sieki hapa sabuni. Kwa nini umeenda nawe kwa hiyo sinki? Let's taste this orange and see how it tastes. Bitter. Let's make peanut butter smoothie now. We are going to be using peanut and plain yogurt. So we are going to remove the maganda, the peels of the groundnut, as I'm doing on a piece of cloth. And then after that, you see the peels are left on the piece of cloth. Then we blend it. After blending it, pour it on a plain plate like that, and then we bring a glass of milk, a glass of yogurt, and we add into our karanga, and that's a smoothie. It slaps. Hello guys, good morning. I'm back again with a very interesting video as usual. So from the look of things, people have already started tilling. Tilling their farms. You can see even from the other side, people have really started cultivating. From the point of view, you can see this is my home area, as in from the place where I stay. People are usually really active farmers. Last season they really harvested beans and maize, and I even showed you guys when I was helping a certain woman to till their lands. Yes, I had already shown you guys in that video. So down, it have been dried up from here. I don't know if you know how it is being made from cow dung. So this is cow dung. See, now it will be used for farming. See that homestead, they have bananas. People are really farmers here in this place where I stay. People are real farmers. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Sharon Jack, Kenya. Today I'm taking you guys to Eastleigh. I'm sorry guys for the noise distraction, but here I was trying to show you some handbags that have been put on display. The most expensive one was 1,500. The rest ranged from 1,300 to 1,200 and below, depending on the power of bargaining. That person who was selling handbags was really nice and friendly to us. The opposite Bangkok, so tag along with me. Let me take you immediately. Immediately you are at Bangkok. You just cross the road and then boom, to Shanghai Mall. Sanji ni Mushanana? Oh my goodness. Hiyo sio hii. Umemwonyesha?
Ameniambia ni kama hii. Sio hiyo exactly.
Hiyo iko na
hii next. Acha tuangalie, asante. Huko sasa tunakudia hii. Lakini hii mbona inakaa kuchaka?
Si the same, si hadi kuchaka. Iko na details zime nini kama tu shine hivi. Si ndio? Hii iko ina hii si the same.
Acha tuangalie kukosa paja. Asante.
You want to wear that Rwandese outfit?
Yes, I'm always wanted to have a shoe.
But it is nini. Oh my goodness. Hebu tuende. Ati? And I've never come here.
Yeah, I had. You see, I woke up in the morning to watch a certain video when to get everybody listening. So niliona hizi malls zote. Kwa hiyo video.
We have never come to this side.
Hata mimi ndio here, but I saw them there.
At Villa. Okay. So we go this way looking. Choose. Hadi sijai kuja huku.
So she's checking out some curtains. These are 2 meters. It's going for 1,000. Well painted. There are several others. These are variety. These are variety. Different colors and different prints. But for her, she wants a yellow one. So when it is printed like this and they'll put the eyelets, it's at 1,000 bob.
Unajua huku tukisema
Nataka kuuliza hii. Oh, niondoke hapa kwako. Sorry. Kitambaa yake. Ni ulivu hapa.